Ram Charan all movies budget and collection. Chiruta budget 18 crores, collection 45 crores, super hit. Magadira budget 40 crores, collection 150 crores, industry hit. Orange budget 27 crores, collection 19 crores, disaster. Racha budget 32 crores, collection 78 crores, super hit. Nayak budget 35 crores, collection 80 crores, super hit. Yavadu budget 45 crores, collection 80 crores, hit. Govindro Andarivarle budget 62 crores, collection 72 crores, average. Bruce Lee budget 62 crores, collection 59 crores, flop. Dhruva budget 50 crores, collection 95 crores, hit. Rangasthalam budget 60 crores, collection 216 crores, industry hit. Vinaya Vijayarama budget 70 crores, collection 90 crores, disaster. Triple R budget 550 crores, collection 1250 crores, industry hit. Game Changer budget 400 crores, collection 185 crores, disaster. Peddi budget 300 crores, collection ఎంత వస్తుంది అనుకుంటున్నారో కామెంట్ చేసి చెప్పండి.